Welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing different styles you can do on your twist outs or your braids, your mini braids. So before I get started with this video, make sure you go ahead and follow me on Instagram, on my Facebook page at I am just Georgia K. So I'm going to just take down. So now we can go ahead and get started with this video. I'm going to just take down my braids. I have this. You can see that the beads fell out. Okay. So this is what it's looking like. So the first style. So I'm just gonna use two of these. So the first style I could do this one that I had in. So you wanna leave two of these. So let me take my glasses off. You wanna leave two out right here, and then you can put this up if you want, and you just put this. So that's the first style. So now let's take this down and we can begin the second style. So for the second style, all you want to do is take out two braids at the front, and then you want to just pull your hair to the back, and you can just sketch it up or you can put it in a bun, and that is the second style. So for this third style, you want to take your hair in the middle, then you want to just braid it because you're going to tuck it under. If you have a bobby pin, that would be great because you can just use the bobby pin to just pin it down. Or if you have a scrunchie, you can just secure the ends and then tuck it under. Right here, you can see that I tried to put it to my hair, but put it together with my hair, but it's not working because my hair is not long enough. If you have a bobby pin, that would be a bonus, but if you don't, you can just get a rubber band or a scrunchie, secure the ends, and then just tuck it under, and that would be the third style. Yeah, so that's the third style. So let's do the fourth style. So right here you can see that my ends are still moisturized. It's been 4 days since I moisturized my hair and it still look luscious. So if you don't know how I moisturize my hair, you can go ahead and watch that video. I'll put the link in the description box and I'll also link it above. And this is one of my favorite styles to do on my hair. Yes. So, and then so this is the fourth style. If you find this video interested, make sure you hit that like button, the subscribe button, and leave a comment down below. I'm going to do the fifth style. This is simply catching it up and down. And then you make like a bun. So this is the fifth style. You have watched all the videos, so thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.